Jenna.
What?
What are you gonna do?
Muffin! In case you couldn't tell, I've been watching a lot of beauty videos lately, especially if you follow me on Snapchat. You know that I was watching something called Polish Mountain, which is 100 coats of nail polish or 200 coats of gel polish or whatever the fuck. And I was like, this is the internet that I signed up for. And then I went down that rabbit hole, 10 out of 10 would recommend, by the way. And there's 100 coats of foundation, 100 coats of mascara, 100 coats of liquid lipstick. So I was like, I wanna do this, but I wanna do it hard as fuck. Since day one, I did not come here to play games. If I'm gonna do a beauty video, it's gonna be the epic mealtime of beauty videos. So I picked some of these to do, but I also added some ones that I haven't seen anyone do because I want to put them all together and do them to myself and make this the ultimate 100 coats video. This is not sponsored by any of these products, obviously, but I will tell you what I'm using. I'm not positive that all of these are gonna work. So I'm gonna do 100 coats of liquid lipstick. I'm going to do 100 coats of foundation. These are NYX. This is Smashbox 15 hour wear. Fuck me up! 100 coats of glitter nail polish, which might get soured by the fact that I'm also doing 100 coats of spray tan on the same arm. And I'm going to do 100 coats of hairspray. And last but not least, why do 100 coats of mascara when you could do 100 pairs of fake lashes? To clarify, I didn't think mathematically that 100 pairs of lashes would fit on your eye, but I'm gonna be doing 50 pairs, so 100 total lashes. I know this video is gonna take a long time to make. I'm here, I'm ready. I'm literally sitting on a tarp. This couch will be ruined. There's towels. All of this is gonna be fucked. So, I mean, just know what I'm giving up to have a great time on the internet today. Everyone, please just in your heart say a prayer for my skin and my lips and my arm and my beauty blender. We're all gonna die today. This is coat number 1. Are you scared for me? Don't turn your back now. Oh my god. I think we all know instantly why no one has done that before. This is a terrible idea. I think I'm going to paint just like my last 3 fingers. Know that I will need my left pointer finger to put on my lashes, so. If I have any eyelashes after this, I'm gonna be shocked. Absolutely shocked.
Literally took 5 minutes for 1 round. At that rate, it's gonna take 500 minutes.
How many hours is that?
Almost 10 hours.
10 hours? My face feels gross. Gross. You nasty. Alright, so I just finished coat number 10. In case you were wondering, I'm probably not going to record every single step of this because there's so many things happening and it'd just be such a long video of me just doing this. I promise you, on my life, I am not skipping any steps. I think you'll be able to tell. This is only 10 lashes. I have 40 to go. I'm sort of just like putting it up there and doing the best that I can, but so far, it feels like a bush or like a caterpillar. And my arm is very shiny. My nails aren't quite mountains yet, but that's only 10 layers. I have to pee. What am I gonna do? How am I gonna pee with this? Okay, just checking in. I'm on level 21 right now. This is a very time-consuming process, the longest of which is these lips and these fists. I don't feel like anyone's showed how much of this actually gets on your teeth. My teeth are covered. It's disgusting. My lips are taking really long. The rest of it is okay. I mean, my lashes look great and feel like a tiny mammal on my eyes. Here, let me bring you in nice and close. Girl, hey! I think my nails are going pretty well. My spray tan is absolutely disgusting. A bug flew into it and killed itself on it. A bug literally kamikazed into my arm. Ew.
Your arm looks like a hot dog.
Yeah, it looks delicious. Don't squish it. Here comes layer 25. So it's gotten to the point where I don't really know where to put these, so I've just been like flipping them up and then jamming them in there. And I don't even know where they go. Where do they go? They're about this thick right now. Like this thick. Oh, girl. Yes. There he go. Have you noticed that my foundation is getting into my lashes too? I think it adds to the whole look. It's a good look. I like it. Julian?
Yes.
This might be the day that my too much gene really is too much.
I can't understand what emotion you're emoting right now at all.
I can't emote, Julian. I look great. I just wanted to show you something.
Ew. Stop it.
This is 26. I feel like Tiffany Pollard. I need an adult. This is your face. This is your face on drugs. Someone send help for me. Oh, no! Is it just me or is it getting beautiful in here? It also just occurred to me that all of my hair might break off from these 100 coats of hairspray. I have no idea what happens when you put that much hairspray in your hair. Like, is my hair gonna fall out? That would suck and wouldn't be worth it at all. I'm on lash 44 right now. This is starting to burn a little because I think this might be dangerous. I've been doing this for 5 hours. I have 6 steps and it's taking a long time. But this is my very last set of lashes, which means that I have now put on 50 lashes on each eye and 100 lashes all together once I get this one on, and it marks the halfway point for the rest of my things. But the reason why I'm not shooting it like totally so you can see every layer, every step, is also because I feel like it's no fun. I want to see the surprise. I end up fast forwarding the video anyways, so I'll just make this video the way that I want to watch it, you know? Just cut to the good part, man. Oh, 100 lashes! That is what 50 of the same eyelash on the same eye looks like, and 100 total lashes. Girl, I'm gonna take this opportunity to just squish them down a little. You see how thick and luscious. And I did not cheat at all. I did not stack them at any point. I glued them all on individually. Furry little shelf. It feels like Kermit. Close your eyes. Tell me that doesn't feel like Kermit.
It feels so coarse. Just like Kermit.
This is the update on my nails. I think they're coming along beautifully. And this is the worst decision I've ever made in my life. Julian, how am I looking so far?
It looks terrible. I hate everything about it, and I'm scared for the fact that this is only 50. Your hair looks like it's gonna break. Don't.
I can't, like, if I look down and then look up, I can't open my eyes.
It's so creepy.
This is now how I am keeping track by putting dots on these. And going insane the entire time! I mean, a lot of my soul is dead, but this is coat number 60. I look just like fucking Janice!
That's Janice? Jenna. You look like you cut Jenna's face off and are wearing it as a face.
Well, so what if I did? It's a good face. My nails are looking bleak. I just hit 80. Feeling fabulous.
There's like a clear separation from where the foundation ends and your real skin.
What are you talking about?
Look to the side completely.
This is my hair.
Yeah, but like look like this. Do this. You can see it in your jawline.
I think it looks natural. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when I'm the prettiest. I know. I'm having a hard time with this liquid lipstick because now that we're this far in, it like really refuses to dry no matter what I do. So I'm just doing my best. So I hope you can bear with me. I still don't got that Kylie lip kit, so I had to do with this. And it's soapy. You're disturbing.
No, you're disturbing.
Ooh, Can I just take a break for a second and say that I swear on my life that I am not trying to be problematic at all. I just really genuinely wanted to do this as an experiment. And I know that there's someone out there that just feels deeply offended, but please note that this only came from a place of pure curiosity. Do I look like someone that wants to hurt your feelings? 'Cause I'm not! So I've made it to 90 layers and I'm praying that I can pull this out and finish it. It has been so many hours. I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna fucking head down, all business. 10 more. I can do it. It's the last coat. It's the last coat. Foundation, done. Polish mountain, done. 100 coats of hairspray, done. Why? I fucking did it! I am officially done with this look. For anyone that's wondering what 100 coats of spray tan looks like, it looks like this, okay? And it's the first thing I'm gonna do is wash this off because this just looks intensely wrong. So I will be right back. That is so much better. Anyways, so this is what my 100 coats of nail polish looks like. A mediocre polish mountain, I would say, but I did my best. I mean, they're not really mountains. They're just like little snowballs.
They're my favorite part of this, by far.
Really?
Yeah, by far.
Why?
Because I hate everything else. With a fury.
I will say, 100 coats of hairspray, I mean, it feels like I just covered my hair in glue, but it's not the worst thing. I thought it would be way more like brittle. It literally just feels like I put nail polish in my hair.
Yeah. Actually, I would argue that it is the worst.
It's the worst?
It's the worst.
The worst?
Yeah.
Worse than this?
No, that's the worst.
Like, I don't think I would wish this experience on anyone ever. I don't know why I did this to myself. It just feels so wrong. My face at this point feels like I'm not sure if it could ever feel clean again. You know what I'm saying? That's how disgusting it feels. I'm really impressed with 50 lashes. Although they did get a fair amount of hairspray in them.
I think that's easily the most impressive part.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it feels so good. Like, they feel like little fucking little hamsters.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Stop it.
They feel like little hamsters on my eyes. I really like them. I just don't know how I'm gonna get them off without ripping out my eyelashes. I give this look a 10 out of 10. I think I'm a natural beauty.
Okay.
This looks great and you fucking know it. See this stuff? Like, this is like a rogue hair that got caught in my foundation.
50 layers
like
ago.
50 layers
Yeah.
ago. That's nasty. Yeah. It's so sticky. Do you know how many layers of like accidental liquid lipstick under this there are, and then the foundation just like covered it like.
Oh shit, girl. Oh my god. Oh, it worked.
It wasn't as painful as I thought it was gonna be. Look, I might still have some ooh, this is a look though. PG, you want this?
Oh my god, get it away from my dog.
This is what my 50 lashes look like. Ew. You know, I'm surprised that I still have any eyelashes. I'm fucking pumped right now. I look like Amanda Bynes. Oh my god.
Holy shit, it looks like you just gashed yourself.
Ow! It's never gonna come off. I mean, nude eyebrows are a good look. I kind of like this. Ugh. I regret everything! I want to take this whole day back! Ooh.
Oh my god, look what you did.
No! It took me 7.5 hours for very mediocre payoff, I'd say. And just a very wrong looking arm. But, you know, I did it. I gave it my all. I saw you, beauty community, and then I raised you 5 other 100 coats of things.
You're just like spreading it all over your face.
I hope that you like this video. I will never, ever, ever, ever do anything like this again. I don't know how I'm gonna fix my life. It's permanently ruined. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out reviews every Wednesday. And we're never doing this again. And we're never talking about it again either. When you go to bed tonight, just say it like a prayer for my skin. I really appreciate it. Is something fucking funny?
Yes.
What? Alright, I need to go. Bye. Subscribe!